Hello there, Escambia County Public School teachers, and welcome to a Byte of Tech with your Student Data Systems team. Today, we're going to show you how you can create custom student groups within Focus. But maybe you're wondering, when would I use a custom group? Well, if you coach a sport or sponsor a club, you might need to find real-time grade, attendance, or discipline data. Within your own class, you might want to monitor a particular group of students to see how they're progressing. So we're going to go ahead and get started with custom student groups. So when we're here on our portal homepage, we're going to come to that sidebar menu, and then we're going to come down here to groups. Now you're going to see my groups here, and what we're going to do is go ahead and make ourselves a custom group. So my teacher does sponsor a sport, so I'm going to give that group a title. It's going to be my school, my assignment type. Now these say dynamic, but remember we're going to do a custom group this time. That means that these are grayed out because we're actually going to add our students. So I'm not going to give it a start and an end date right now, but you could do that if you wanted it just for this year. I'm going to go ahead and click my red save button, and then I'm going to see this view/add button here. So now I want to add students to this group. So once I'm here, I'm going to be able to search for my students. So if I have a list of students, I can manually type their name in. I could search students just for my classes, for the entire school. And then I do have the ability to click this blue More Search options if there are other things that can help me filter and quickly add students to that list. So once I choose students that I would like, I can add them to this group. And then those students are going to appear here. At any point in time, if a student leaves the group, I do have the ability to remove them by clicking this button. Now I'm going to show you how you can use that student group and apply different search criteria to find out information. As the sponsor or coach of this team, I want to know grade or discipline information, so you can do that very quickly. So if you come to your sidebar menu and click Students and Demographics, it's going to bring up this screen. Now you see you have the option for a student group. You're going to drop down, choose that custom group that you just made, and then you're going to apply some search options to it. So maybe I want to know what their current grades are. So I'm going to go to grades, and then I'm going to say their letter grade. I want to see what letter grade they received. So I want to know all of the grades that they may have right now. And I want to know what's currently sitting in that teacher's grade book. Now remember, with searches, I could make this a saved search if I want to, and then I can come back and apply this to any student group that I've made. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to give it a title that's easy for me to remember what my search was for. Focus is going to ask me if I want to make another student group from our saved search, and I don't want to do that at this time. Now I'm going to click that blue search button, and then it's going to pull up my students. Now right now you don't see any information, but clicking Show Courses is going to give you the course name, the teacher, and the grade that they currently have in the Quarter 2 gradebook, because that's the quarter that we're in right now. You could filter by this drop down if you wanted to know specific grades, just like you do on any Focus screen. And now you've made a custom student group and applied a search in Focus. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to check out our other recommended video here and fill out our content request form so we keep making videos that are just for you, because that is a Byte of Tech.